Hi guys, Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. If you're someone who loves neutral colors, I want to show you this 2026 Barletta 25 UC that we just got in. It is a winter white with champagne exterior. And I want to show you some of my favorite features. And that includes being on the back of this boat. So you have a very nice wide rung lily pad ladder, really easy to get on and off. And take a look at this deck space. Great spot for if you have dogs, kids who want to jump off. And of course, you have the beautiful lounger layout. This goes a lot of different directions. And I want to take a peek at this stereo transom remote here. So you're hanging out, you're lounging, you're also in charge of the music, which I absolutely love. And coming to the captain's seat, it's all redesigned for the helm this year with dual SIM rads. I love how you can just put your huge map on this screen here, so you can see where you're going, and of course, make it easy. Just put your lighting display, or if you want to see anything with your Mercury engine, and you also have your RGB lights here, so you can change the lightings on this boat pretty easily and go in different modes. And of course, they keep it easy. You've got your stereo right here with JBL audio, pop-up table. Lots of times, people put their garbage cans underneath the seat, and it's always a pain. So now, this is a great storage spot for your trash can. Really nice area in the front here with armrests, making this a very nice spot to hang out. And here is that anchor storage in the front as well. Very accessible to get to. Come see this boat at MarineMax Nisswa or see this on our website today. This is a beautiful one you do not want to miss out on.